Hi, I'm Bella Lee, the newest member of the UCanBeHealthier TV channel team. I'm 13 years old and I'm here to cook up a story with you. This is the start of my series called Cooking with Bella, where I can introduce you to some yummy recipes that kids like me can make. They're not too hard, but you may need a parent to supervise you to put on the stove or the oven. But otherwise, a responsible teen like me should be able to put these few recipes together in a jiffy. Basically, anyone can make these simple, healthy recipes. The first recipe is a favorite of mine. I don't even like chocolate, but what I do love is chocolate soufflé. I'll show you some tips to make sure that your soufflé rises every time. First, let's destroy some myths about chocolate as it's gotten a bad reputation in the past. Here are 10 reasons why chocolate is good for you. Number 1, it helps with heart health. Number 2, brain health. Number 3, mood. Number 4, it improves exercise performance. Number 5, it decreases inflammation and improves cholesterol. Number 6, decreases chronic diseases. Number 7, improves blood flow in the liver and can possibly prevent liver damage. Number 8 is beneficial against colon cancer. And number 9, it keeps you slim. The researchers who published their results in the Archives of Internal Medicine found out that people who ate chocolate a few times a week on average were slimmer than those who ate it only occasionally, even after the other foods in their diets were considered. And number 10, it protects your skin. Normally people think chocolate is bad for your complexion, but researchers have found that some compounds in cocoa can actually protect your skin from the sun. I hope you can now enjoy a guilt-free chocolate souffle. Now for the exciting part. Let's get making the chocolate souffle. Let's start by putting the oven on to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, then getting the ramekins or cups ready. This is what we'll need. 3 ramekins, 100 grams of chocolate, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs separated, 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of butter and half a cup of milk for the roux, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa. If you don't have ramekins, then little cups with straight edges will work just fine. So brush the sides of the ramekins with upward strokes with soft butter. This recipe should be enough to make around 3 chocolate soufflés. Then put a tablespoon of white sugar in one of them. Then swirl it around like this and then empty the excess sugar into the next ramekin. Put these ramekins in the fridge and save them for later. Now put 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 tablespoon of butter into a saucepan that's big enough. Then add 1/2 cup of cold milk. Whisk it together and wait till it thickens to form a roux. After mixing it to a thin consistency, switch off the stove. This gives enough heat to melt the chocolate without needing to use a water bath. Then add in chocolate that is cut up into small pieces and 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Whisk it together. While this is cooling a bit, we will make the meringue part. That's the egg whites whipped with sugar and what makes the souffle rise. Add a pinch of cream tartare. The key is to have absolutely no egg yolks in this, but make sure to save them for later. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and whisk. Now add the 2nd tablespoon of sugar and whisk some more. Finally, add the 3rd tablespoon of sugar and whisk until you get soft peaks. In the end, it should look something like this. Now add 2 egg yolks to the cooled chocolate base. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix those all together. Stir a third of the meringue mixture into the chocolate base to mix it all up. Next, fold in another third of the meringue mixture. Remember, folding is not the same thing as mixing. And then do the same thing to the last third of the meringue mixture. The result will be like this. Fill each ramekin to the top. And jiggle to ensure that the top will be smooth. Or you can smooth it with a knife. And then run your finger around the rim of each one. This ensures that they will rise evenly and straight up. Place in the oven, which was at 475 degrees Fahrenheit, and then reduce the temperature immediately to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The initial high heat helps to give a crispy outer core, and the slow lower heat on the bottom rung ensures cooking in the center. Bake for around 18 minutes till the soufflés rise and are cooked through. Voila! Perfect souffle every time. Now you can impress your parents, friends, and everyone you know, and you can tell them about all the huge health advantages of chocolate. This is Bella Lee from UCanBeHealthier TV channel team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and suggest any favorite recipes that you want me to cook up for you next time in the comments below. This is Cooking with Bella. Bye for now!